Hey everybody, Cindy out here with my Artsy Endeavours. How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I'm going to play in this little end piece journal that I made. I just want to let you guys know, like on the front of it, I used a bunch of crayons. I don't know why, but I had a bunch of crayons in my stash and I'm like, you know what? Let's use them. Why not? There's a bunch of different colors in here. There's neons and there's, I don't know, pastels and whatever. I think these all came from like the Dollar Tree. So there's all different, you know, it's not just the regular. There's regular Crayola, but then there's the different ones that, you know, Colors of Kindness, and what's this one say? Same thing. There's neons. There's just all kinds of weird ones in here. But yeah, I used that on the front. This I actually glued on with Fabri-Tac or fabric glue, which it stayed, which I'm very happy for. Again, this little fabric here that I did. But I'm going to go ahead and play around on the inside of this. Now, I just want to make you guys aware, I'm not looking for a perfect spread. I'm not looking for something that's going to be a piece of frameable art. That's not what I'm doing here. I just want to play. I want to play with my supplies. These are old paints. I want to play with these. I want to make marks. I just want to play. And that's what I'm going to do in this journal. So I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you can actually get yourself some, whether it's the paper grocery bags or whatever journal you have, and just sit down and play along, because it's fun to just not have a plan and just use your supplies and have fun with them. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. All right, I hope you guys enjoy.